You can do some practice because all the steps are the same. So let me back out. I'm going to walk the dart. Zoom selected. First thing I'm going to do is walk this dart over to here, and then I'm going to walk it over to here. And what I mean, I'm just going to do 2 of the same dart transfers. New dart opening. Right click on the dart point, right click on each side, hold your shift key, (100%), and we're going clockwise this time. So then, right click on the point, right click on the new opening right here, close it off. This is all gone. Midpoint in the close off, line, right click at the dart point down to the midpoint. Okay, we walked it one place. Let's walk it again. Since it's still connected up here at this dart point, we can just continue on. Right click at the new opening, right click at the dart point, right click on each end of the leg. I want to move this. Now all of this is going to be going counterclockwise because I'm opening it here. 100% counterclockwise. So then these are gone. Line, right click on the new dart opening, right click up here, close it off, midpoint, center line, right click at the point, right click at the midpoint, and there it is. Now, of course, you would end up drawing an arc just to smooth out that waistline. And of course, you would move this dart point 1 inch. Click on the center line, click on each dart leg, right click at the dart point, move it 1 inch. I didn't move it 1 inch on this one because I knew I was going to still move it. All right, so let's walk this side dart to here, then to here, then to here, then to here, then to here. Let's walk it down to here first. New dart opening, dart point, right click to each of the dart legs. I want this open here, here. I'm going to select this one. And this is the new dart opening, and this is going to be going clockwise. So we want to leave that long line. Let's get rid of that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. You do want to leave some of these lines so you can attach. This was the old dart legs. Let's draw this line from here to here. Space bar. Let's right click at the dart point here, draw it here. This goes away. This goes away. Close this. Actually, this is not right. It's here. There. Midpoint, Okay, so I move the side dart down. Now I'm not going to, I could, let's go ahead. Move dart point, click on the center, click on each dart leg, right click at the point, 1 inch. Do it in that order. Okay. Now let's walk it up one, new dart opening, dart point, right click, right click. Want to move this line and this line and this line. Let's go ahead and move this line. This is 100 counterclockwise. Here's the new line. This is an old line. We're going to keep that line. This is gone, and that's gone, and that's gone. This is gone. Draw a line, midpoint. Draw your center line from the bust point out. Move dart, click on your center line, click on each dart leg, right click on the dart point, 1 inch. This has to go and be redrawn. So I would just take this, redraw it, right click to right click, and then I would go ahead and true this dart. Let's fold it down into the bottom. Right click there, right click there, right click there. Okay, so that trued that dart. Okay, we walked the torso dart to this, from this side, from the straight up position to this side, and then back over to here. We've walked the side dart from its original location down to here and then up to here. Now, I've been playing around with this and walking this side dart up to here or here or here in any of these 3 locations becomes problematic. So what you have to do instead is to start at the neckline. And it's still going to get a little bit wonky. Make sure you select all your points. It's going to open here and we're going to go counterclockwise. So once again, start at your dart point. Draw your line, right click to right click, close off that dart. Midpoint, and draw your center fold line. Move your dart, your bust point or dart point, center line, 1 leg, the other leg, right click at the point, 1 inch. So this is all done and can be removed. Now we can move, let's go ahead and just, it's going to fold into here, 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 here. That would work. Now let's move the dart to the shoulder. And right click, right click, right click. This is going to open up this way. I'm going to close the dart up and open it so it's going to go clockwise. Draw your line, close it off, midpoint, draw your center line, always from the dart point. So we can get rid of this. All of this dart is gone now. You can get rid of that point. And then move your dart point, center line, other center line, 1 inch, or whatever your measurement is. Now, moving this into here is going to be problematic, but let's see what happens. Here's the new, let's come down here. Here's the new dart opening here. I'm going to skip an area. I want to open it here. So it's going to close up here. And that's going to go clockwise. Right click, close up your dart. Midpoint. Draw your center line from the dart point out. Move dart point. Click on the center, click on each leg, right click on the point, 1 inch. So this is gone. Now, one thing you do want to do is to measure your shoulder seam, 3.97. Here. 3.97, and then I moved it here. Okay, so you can walk your dart around, but you do have to take care as to the order of your new locations. Remember that you can go backwards, you can undo a move by using your undo command. Make sure that you copy your base pattern, so if you mess it up like I might have a couple of times, you can always get a clean copy. Thanks for